seeing an increase in fiber cuts in the country, and most of it, about 80% of it, is due to road construction works. Last week, I was in Ejusu to meet the road agencies and the Minister of Roads and Highways to inform them about the spate of fiber cuts. We have gone from about 2 years ago of 50 fiber cuts a month to, in March, we noticed 147 fiber cuts a month just for the month of March, which is a clear indication that we need to do something about this fiber cut. And I'm grateful that SNET would add its voice to this, because it doesn't only impact the network, it impacts other services as well as even revenue to government, because once we realize that revenue, we pay dividends, we pay taxes on that. And last 2 quarters alone, we noticed a spike in the fiber cuts, as I have said. And when we did a back of the envelope calculation, it would if we had realized that revenue we had lost, government would also have made about 17.4 million Ghana cedis in terms of the taxes we would have paid on the revenue that we lost. We have engaged the road agencies. We're looking to see an improvement in that. And in terms of our reaction time towards repairing the fiber, we have teams on ground in relation to the high areas. With the design of our network, when you cut fiber in certain locations, sometimes it affects people across the entire country. We're doing our best to make sure we enhance the services and keep the network going. So we would ask NIT to add its voice to the clarion call for other people engaged in infrastructure to be mindful of the fiber, because it's a national asset and it helps in our businesses and our national development.